This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Dow component McDonald's is trading lower by more than 2% after missing Q4 top and bottom line estimates. Taking a look back, the stock topped out right around 220 back in August of 2019, sold off to what is this, about a 2-year low, a 3-year low during the pandemic decline, returning to the prior high in September, then carving the handle of this broad cup and handle pattern ahead of a breakout in April of last year. As you can see, it rode the 50-day moving average through most of the year, taking every dip below it as a buying opportunity, coming all the way up to an all-time high right here, right at the start in the first week of January, up above 270. Now the stock's dropped about over 9% down into this low from yesterday morning. Actually, this low is from Tuesday, I believe. And this morning it's trading right around 245, so it's right down here, very close to the 200-day moving average. For this reason, it looks like short-term downside is fairly limited. It's the first time since March of 2021 that the stock's tested this level, and it should, especially the angle is coming down at it, should hold certainly above 240, if not 243. Now I say 240 because if you take a look back at the weekly, you can see that the 50-week moving average is right here around 241 or so. So I think downside is very limited. However, we have a couple of conflicting cycles we have to work with. Number one, we have, this is very good, we have the weekly sell cycle down here at a very, very oversold level. In fact, it's more oversold than it's been in quite a few years. Take a look all the way down here, maybe since about 2016. So that's real good. That sets up a strong bounce very soon. However, if you take a look back at the weekly here, now, excuse me, the monthly here, as you can see, we're in a bona fide sell cycle now, and this thing's going to probably persist into the second quarter. So that means that any gains are going to probably be limited, and the best we perhaps can do will be a trading range. We also have this to contend with, which is right now just a dark cloud cover candle. But this is, the month's not over yet. We have a few more days. The stock's trading down about 245. We have potential, if it goes below this low at 244, to have a bearish outside month, which would be very bad news. As you can see, the last time this type of thing happened right here, see this bearish outside month, and see what happened afterwards. We had much greater downside. So I think it's something to watch. We really want the stock to go and bottom out here right around that, again, 200-day moving average, which is right here around 244. Anything much lower than that, we're going to start to get into larger scale sell signals.